Hey guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together we make up
HetteshWorld. We're here at the Hershey RV show 2023.
And right behind us is Riverstone, and we're going to take you through every single new model and show you what's going on, so you better stay tuned. Number 4.
This is a 442 MC, and we're going to take you a quick tour on the outside.
Once again, generator ready with the hydraulics up front.
Hydraulics up front, like the rest.
There's your jacks there, so you can see them.
That's our 40-pound propanes.
Yep.
Our pass-through.
Yep. Once again, water manifold, slide to get your wires.
Electric.
Nice slide up there.
Turn signal.
Yep.
Black door.
Yes, we are correcting ourselves that is not glass, guys. That is an actual door, painted black, made to look like glass. TV. So 2 big slides right here. So this coach is going to have like a lot of room inside of it, which is going to be really nice.
This has got the fiberglass rear cap.
So this is the cap that makes it almost look like a motorhome. It's just beautiful, and I'm not able, hey, there's an apple. Not able to get a good view of it. But all right, so basically it's the same thing that you have on all of them. On this side, your hot water heater, your wet dry bay, your reels.
Yeah, this one seems to have limited outdoor storage except for your pass-through.
Yep. Let's go inside, guys. More right steps, more right handle. So the kitchen here, we have a fan controller.
Yep.
So we've got a convection microwave. We've got a standard Insignia oven cooktop, fridge, double sinks with a lot of countertop space. This is wonderful for when you want to cook. Oh, what's this? Oh.
Yeah, it's a massive pantry model.
Wow. That is cool. That is super cool.
So if you're into food storage, this model's for you. It does have a nice seating area for your breakfast, lunch, dinner. It has a desk.
How come nothing's coming out, Bob? I'm thirsty.
Yep, iced tea has been frozen.
So we've got storage over here. This is your kind of living room recreation area.
I'd call this like a buffet here.
Buffet maybe, TV, storage. Go into, this is actually a living room back here. We're going to have a TV and fireplace here. They've got storage. They've got comfy couches. And then they've got a half bath, which is pretty cool. Let's take a look at it.
Yeah, the thing that makes this really unique, it's got a ladder. And what's that ladder for? This could be a mother-in-law, father-in-law suite because it has a Happy Jack system up in it. So this could be a separate area for another adult or adult kids.
Yeah.
So that's kind of neat.
Yeah. That's kind of neat. It's kind of like a den, a living room, a guest room, a mother-in-law suite, a place for HetteshWorld to come stay.
Yep.
So let's go on back and check out the bathroom and the bedroom. The bedroom is nice and spacious. There's lots of room up front, which I like. Storage, TV, weird little box that we don't know what it is.
Some kind of storage.
Some kind of storage, washer, dryer, clothes.
Yep.
And then nightstands.
Yeah, nightstands with a king bed. It does have the sliding door for the bedroom, which is nice. The bathroom, I'm sure it's going to be like the rest of them. Yeah, it's going to lay out the same. Got your elongated porcelain tub. Got your small vanity. Got your over the john or your vanity cabinet, 2-sided, and then your shower
which is pretty spacey.
Yeah, it is nice. I like that they put the seat in there because ours is fiberglass and it takes up a lot of the space.
So I think there's another one. Let's go to Riverstone number 5. Next video. So we hope that you like this video. We are doing a short tour of what the Riverstone is offering today.
Yep.
So we want you to like, subscribe, smash up that notification bell. Bob would like you to.
Give us your comments.
Remember, we're HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our world.
Bye!